Rachel from the UK and it's day 3 of being the cycling ambassador for Slovenia. We are in Krško today, Krško city, and I am being led around the city by a well-known Slovenian triathlete. The first 10 minutes into our cycling journey, my professional triathlon guide actually got a puncture on his bike. But we're inside the castle now, it's really beautiful and we've got to see how the monks lived here when they were living in this castle. At the House of Wine and Chocolate, I actually sampled some really gorgeous chocolate. We have taken a trip around visiting Krka, where Melania Trump was actually baptised. We have had a fantastic day cycling around southeast